On today's TMJ4. Today, a judge in Madison is set to take up the state's controversial voter ID law.
Republicans want a reversal of a previous court decision that put that law on hold. Our Melissa McCrady is live in downtown Milwaukee this morning with more on today's hearing. Hi, Melissa.
Good morning to you guys. Voters did not have to show their IDs at polling locations like this one for the April primary, and they may never have to, depending on what happens today in court. But there's a lot of controversy surrounding the judge who is making today's decision. Dane County Judge David Flanagan granted a temporary injunction against Wisconsin's new voter ID law last month, essentially pausing it until today's trial. Flanagan wrote that the voter ID law could cause irreparable harm if it's allowed to stay in place. But there are concerns about the judge that made this ruling because he signed the Walker recall petition. State Representative Jeff Stone was a sponsor of voter ID.
It doesn't matter what happens in Wisconsin right now. Everything has an element of politics to it.
Former State Supreme Court Justice Janine Geske was not as concerned that Flanagan signed a petition. She just believes he should have told everyone.
I wish he would have disclosed it at the beginning of the case so that all the parties would have known, and if somebody wanted to make an argument that he shouldn't hear the case, he could have heard it and decided it before he issued the lengthy, very well thought out decision.
And today's hearing takes place at 8:30 this morning in a Dane County courtroom. We will let you know what happens. For now, on your side, live in downtown Milwaukee, Melissa McCrady, today's TMJ4.